In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crank sensor on this Ford 500. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the hubcap. I'm just using a pry bar. Just get behind it, pop the hubcap off. Use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. We're going to remove this shield. There's a couple of push pins. Just use a trim tool. Pop these out. One up here. This one has the center of a Phillips screwdriver. Sometimes if you get the center of it, just pop it out. Pop the whole thing out. Just like that. A couple more on the bottom. And this slides right off. Disconnect the connector, just push down on this tab, slide that off. We're going to take this bolt out. I'm going to use an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. Take the bolt out and just grab the sensor. Just give it a wiggle. You may need a prying tool. Just use a pocket screwdriver, but be careful, you don't want to crack it. Just use it for a little bit of leverage as you rock it back and forth or twist it back and forth. There we go. And it slides right out. Take the new crank sensor. You can put a little silicone lubricant on the O-ring and slide it in position. Just rock it back and forth and push it in. Take the bolt, line that up. And if you can fit a torque wrench in there, torque that to 89 inch-pounds. Take the connector, line it up, and plug it in. Take this cover, we're going to line this up, push the push pins in. And down below. Put the wheel on. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 95 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Take the hubcap, line it up, and pop it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.